It's important for many different reasons in every case that you hire an attorney as soon as possible after an accident. Most important thing is that you need to recover the evidence that's going to determine whether or not you're going to be able to recover in that accident and against the right people. Because if you can't recover against somebody that's got resources to compensate you for your damages, you won't receive anything. So you should see a lawyer as soon as possible anytime you're involved in an accident where you suspect that somebody else or some business is at fault for that. For example, if you're involved in an accident, serious injury or wrongful death because your tire blew out, we have to find that evidence. If we don't have the tire, we can't recover. If we don't have the evidence, we are likely not going to be able to make a recovery for you. Call Colson Hicks Edson 305-476-7400 or go to our website colson.com for more information.